Welcome back. National HIV Testing Day is this Saturday, and a local organization is making it easier for Houstonians to take charge of their health. Joining us now is FLAS Executive Director Elia Chino to talk about a free community health fair this weekend. Thank you for coming in to join us.
Thank you for the invitation.
So tell me a little bit more about why is National HIV Testing Day such an important opportunity for people to learn their status?
Since 1995, National HIV Testing Day was established to bring together the organization, the agencies that provide HIV services for the community, because it's a lot of fear, it's a lot of stigma, and we must continue working together to bring now the community and get tested for HIV.
So much progress has been made since 1995, but you just mentioned it, that fear and that stigma often still exists. What would you say to someone who has never been tested before to help them overcome that fear?
That they need to stop continuing in silence and ask for help, and have the opportunity to come in now this Sunday and get tested. Because if you don't get tested, if you are infected with HIV, you can prevent it and live forever a healthy life. Because it's not a sentence of death now to live with HIV.
Absolutely. It is not a death sentence, and you do want to find out so that you can stay on top of it.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about Sunday's health fair and the free screenings that are available to the community. Where is this happening? How do we get more information?
This is going to happen this Sunday, June 28 in Plaza Americas.
Okay.
That used to be Charleston Mall. The address is 7500 Bel Air Boulevard. We have about 20 organizations that are coming out to provide health screening, HIV, STIs, hepatitis, fat liver. Fat liver, they need to be not eating.
Okay, you need to fast. If you want to do the liver test, you need to fast. For the rest of them, you do not need to fast.
No.
For an HIV test, you don't have to fast.
No.
You just go to Plaza Americas. This is right off the 59. It's easy to find, easy to get to. And are there any charges? Do we need to register beforehand?
No. The guests need to come in out.
Okay.
Everything is free and confidential. And that's it.
Okay, so let's talk about why not, right? What are the long-term health benefits of knowing your status and getting connected to care early if you need it? Because, finding out and getting health care early does make a difference.
Yes, because a lot of people, they died because they don't want to disclose the status to the family, to the community. And a lot of times they prefer to die in silence, or move to their country and don't say anything and go there and die, and instead to ask for help.
Yeah, and there is help though. You can start treatments and you can get help earlier and really help control this. So certainly this early detection is important. How can people get involved with FLAS? Do you have a website that we can go to read more?
They can go online and www.flasin.org and sign in, or call to the organization 713-772-2366.
Okay. Otherwise, once again, the event is this weekend.
This weekend, Sunday. From 12 to 5 p.m.
12 to 5 p.m., Plaza Americas. So easy to find. Elia, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you again for the invitation.
It's such an important health service for everybody to know about. And